before he was president. So when I say he saved us, he literally saved us from drug addicts. He saved us from oligarchs. He saved us from bad healthcare. He saved us from, so us being here is just us trying to, give back, show him that we are grateful. And also, in a way, it's also us showing politicians in the Philippines that we now have a standard of leadership, and we recognize it in Duterte, and we're here, and the Filipinos say here, OFWs here, people come here from all over the world because we understand leadership now. Because before him, there was nothing. So so for me, it's I don't know what's gonna happen, but us being here is a message sent to the world. It doesn't have to be anything. It doesn't have to affect the decision of the ICC, because I think we already know what they're going to give him. The decision already has been made. I mean, this is all just a farce for me. So I just think that us being here is our protest to the world. Protest that, the disrespect to our sovereignty, the disrespect to the will of the people, the political will of the people. So
Thank you very much.
thank you. So I hope